Greetings, it is me, Elky Boy, the best animator on Vermilion. So, I don't know how to start this fucking video, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to oh, dude, this is fucking annoying. Okay. Uh,
Uh, okay, so I'm going to show you how to. Fuck, I fucked this shit up.
okay, so I'm going to show you how to get more than 500 frames on Photoshop if you're going to animate. Uh, yeah, fuck it. But anyways, I already have this fucking animation ready. So what you wanna do is see how many fucking frames you have. Let me delete these. I don't need them. Right. So export it. That was at least what I do. I pause it. Okay, there's 600 frames in here. Actually, not that much. I thought there was like 1,000 width. Okay. Holy shit! I have fucking 6 GB. What the hell? Okay. Yo, goddamn, dude. Holy shit. Dude, what the fuck do I have in here? What the hell? Okay. Anyway, so this thing, this is your work area. This this thing over here is your work area. Uh, oh fuck. Okay. So what's displayed in here? So anything that's inside this work area is gonna be displayed when you export it. Like for example, if you do it like this for example, only this part is going to be exported. Alright? Pretty easy stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so the shortcuts to uh, correctly close, to open and close your work area are B and N. B is to start your work area, and N is to close it. Yeah, pretty chill. Uh, yeah. Anyways, so if you wanna export more than have more than 500 frames when you're exporting, fuck, dude, importing into Photoshop. Uh, what you wanna do is first cut cut it into two parts. Like this is part one and this is part two. Something like this. Yeah, whatever. One, desktop, save, best settings, render. Okay, this is part one. We started here and I wanna close it somewhere over here and export it again. This is gonna be part two. Alright, now we got these two, and we're gonna open photo. Dude, I have it right here. What the hell? Okay, we open it, and now you import your first animation. Well, the first part. Video frames to layer. Oh shit! Don't mind that, dude. Fuck. Alright. So you import the first one. You export it from After Effects. And now you import the second one. Wait, I hope this one isn't more than 500 frames. Okay, both are below 500 frames. That's what you want. All right. So first, what you do, you click the first frame from the last one. You export it, and you hold Shift and click the last frame. You press this three-line thingy and copy frames. Now you go to your first one, where you go to the last frame, click these three things again, paste frames, and click the last option, and click OK. Awkward silence. Okay. So now you have more than 500 frames. You just now export it. Oops. Save for legacy or whatever, whatever. There we go. Save. Desktop save. And yeah, also. Oops. VGI. Just insert it anywhere. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, that was all, I guess. Uh, there you go. Yee. Okay, yeah. Awesome tutorial.